choose composite decking and durable railings now to cut maintenance and extend the life of your new home exterior. For a new home construction composite deck upgrade, start by specifying capped composite boards with a proven thermal expansion rate and low water absorption to prevent cupping and staining. Use stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum rail systems to avoid corrosion and reduce long-term paint or stain work while matching load requirements to local building codes. Install hidden fasteners and stainless steel screws where needed to preserve board sightlines and reduce tripping hazards. Leave the manufacturer recommended expansion gap at both ends of each board. Space joists according to the composite manufacturer guidelines, which are usually tighter than for wood so the boards are fully supported and to prevent sagging under concentrated loads. Include a ventilated substructure and slope the framing away from the house to promote drainage, reduce trapped moisture, and prevent mold under the deck. Establish a simple cleaning schedule using a broom plus an annual wash with a manufacturer-approved cleaner and a soft bristle brush to remove organic debris and prevent surface staining without damaging the protective cap. Homeowners often forget that composite boards expand more than wood, which leads to buckling if gaps are too small, so measure and follow expansion gap specs and acclimate boards on site before fastening. Another common issue is poor ventilation under the deck that causes trapped moisture and early deck failure, so provide continuous airflow by leaving perimeter gaps and avoiding ground contact. A third frequent mistake is selecting incompatible fasteners or metals, which accelerate corrosion and staining. Always match fastener material to the deck and railing system and use recommended coated or stainless components. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like composite deck upgrades, and we host a discussion community where people share real-world tips and photos. We help contractors find work by listing project leads and allowing them to join conversations with homeowners looking for guidance.